The next test on week 2 is a vertical jump test. It assesses peak power output and average power output. And then from there, we use the Bahamonde and Johnson formula to determine the status of a client. This is ideal if you've got a basketball player or somebody who's involved in sports specificity, or even a fitness enthusiast who just wants to know how powerful they are, which, remember, it's a combination of speed and strength. So here is what you will do for the test. So what we have here is Alex, our client, has got chalk, and you're going to reach as far as you can to make a mark. Okay? Now from here, she's going to do a vertical jump and reach as high as she can. So when you're ready, and away you go. What we're going to do is we're going to measure from the top hand to here. And whatever that distance is in centimeters. And then you will implant that data into the formulas as you see here to determine the peak power output and the average power output. However, before you do this test, make sure that you've got your client adequately warm and you allow at least 3 familiarizations before you actually get a measured distance.